Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage's product search feature. This video will guide you step by step on how to run a full product scan so that you can start finding profitable items faster and easier. First, let's talk about cache. Cache is the data stored in Tactical Arbitrage's database from scans done by all users. The longer the cache, the faster your scans will be. You can choose to scan live or use the cache. When you use a longer cache for your scan, you can update the pricing and stock information afterward on your View Results page. That's where your search results appear, to make sure you have the latest data. You can also adjust the sourcing from and selling at Amazon settings to match your country or sourcing preferences. Plus, you can source from one country and sell in another if you want. Then it's time to select a website. For example, let's pick Walmart. Once you select a website, the Easy Bulk panel will appear on the right side. Note that you can't scan an entire website domain at once. You'll need to pick categories. Easy Bulk lets you add up to 500 categories to a single scan. Let's select the health category and click Add to Bulk. You'll see that 106 out of 500 categories are now added to your scan. You can also name your search here. This step is optional, but helps you find your search later in View Results. Now let's talk about filters. This is where many users get stuck. We recommend keeping filters light or skipping them at this stage. You can always apply more filters later when you review your scan results. If you want to try some filters, here are a few we suggest. Remove third-party sellers from results. Remove items restricted from your account, filtering out products that require approval in Seller Central. Show Amazon out-of-stock results. Remove products if Amazon's title contains certain words like pack, PK, bundle, or set to avoid quantity mismatches. Set minimum thresholds for gross profit and gross ROI. Start low so you don't miss opportunities. You can always filter more and view results later. You can also find a beginner filter in your saved filters. These presets are designed to work well in most cases and help you find products with higher potential. You can customize them whenever you like. Once your filters are set, click Search and start your scan. You'll see the scan progress in the box at the top. If you want to start another scan while one is running, just click the orange button inside the progress box. Besides Easy Bulk, you can scan by pasting a category URL directly. To do this, choose your website and paste the category page URL where you want to search for the products. Make sure your URL matches the examples provided in the category guide. You can adjust your filters here if needed, or your previous filter settings will apply automatically. Then, start your scan.